Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
A number of factors can influence the temperature of your refrigerator. Here are some common problems and solutions. Newly installed refrigerators need time to reach the proper operating temperature. Please allow 24 hours for a new refrigerator to reach the set temperature. Doors left open allow warm air to enter the cabinet. Make sure to keep the door closed and avoid leaving the door open for extended periods of time. Large loads of food can influence the temperature of the refrigerator as well. After loading the refrigerator, you must allow several hours for the temperature to normalize. Make sure the refrigerator is set to the proper temperature for the environment it is in. If the fridge isn't running cool enough, adjust the controls to a setting colder and recheck temperature in 24 hours. While some moisture buildup is normal, excessive moisture buildup can influence the temperature of the refrigerator. Excessive room humidity contributes to moisture buildup. Keep this influence to a minimum by keeping the doors closed as much as possible. Keeping door openings to a minimum prevents humid air from entering the unit. Also, moisture can be caused by placing a large amount of hot food, like a pot of hot soup, in the refrigeration compartment. This will cause the freezer compartment to accumulate frost.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product or available online at www.whirlpool.com.